Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve another SQL problem from HackerRank website, and the name of this problem is interviews. And today is our day 42 of 100 days of SQL challenge, where I will be solving one question each day. And I hope you guys are also solving one question with me to practice SQL. And this is the hard level problem. Okay, so let us read the problem. Samantha interviews many candidates from different colleges using coding challenges and contest. Write a query to print the contest ID, hacker ID, name, and the sum of total submissions, total accepted submissions, total views, and total unique views for each contest sorted by the contest ID. So what we need to print? We need to print the contest ID, hacker ID, name, and the sum of total submissions, total accepted submissions, total views, and total unique views for each contest, and then we have to order by the contest ID. Okay. Exclude the contest from the result if all four sums are 0. Okay, so if all four sums are 0, then we have to exclude those from the contest. So then we have to apply the where condition to filter out the records. Okay. Note: a specific contest can be used to screen candidates at more than one college, but each college only holds one screening contest. Okay, so what does that mean is that a specific contest can be used to screen candidates at more than one college. Okay, so same contest they can use to screen the candidates in more than one college, but each college only holds one screening contest. Okay. Input format: the following tables hold interview data. So first we have the contest table, where we have three columns, that is contest ID, hacker ID, name. Contest ID is the ID of the contest. Hacker ID is the ID of the hacker who created that contest. Okay, and name is the name of the hacker. And then we have another table, that is colleges. The college, in the colleges table we have two columns, that is college ID and contest ID. College ID is the ID of the college, and contest ID is the contest that Samantha used to screen the candidates. Okay. Now we have another table, that is challenges table. The challenge ID is the ID of the challenge that belongs to one of the contest whose contest ID Samantha forgot, and college ID is the ID of the college where the challenge was given to candidates. Okay. And now we have view stats table, where we have challenge ID, total views, and total unique views. So challenge ID is the ID of the challenge. Total views is the number of times the challenge was viewed by the candidate, and total unique views is the number of times the challenge was viewed by unique candidates. Okay. And we have the last table, that is submission stats table. The challenge ID is the ID of the challenge. Total submissions is the number of submissions for the challenge, and total accepted submissions is the number of submissions that achieved full score. Okay. Now they have given us the sample input as well, and then they have given us the sample output, and they have provided the explanation as well. So for example, the contest 66406, okay, the contest this one 66406 is used in the college this. Okay, in this college they have used this contest. In this college 11219, this college challenges 18765 and this, that is 47127 are asked. So from the view and submission stat, so what will be the sum of total submission? So let's see for this 66406. Okay, contest. So contest, so this contest, that is 66406. Okay, let's find. So contest 66, yeah. So here you can see that this is contest 66406, and this contest has been conducted in this college ID, that is 11219. Okay, and now for this college ID, that is 11219, the challenge ID is 18765 and 47127. So basically in this college they have provided two challenges, that is 18765 and 47127. Okay, now as you can see that in this challenge, in this submission stats table, uh, so 47127. Okay, so this is 47127, this is 47127, and at last this is 47127. So total sum of total submission would be this 27 plus 56 and then plus 28. So as you can see that 27 plus 56 plus 28, and sum of total accepted submissions, so this one it will be 10 plus 18 and plus 11. So 10, 18 and 11, as you can see here. I hope you understand. Now let's try to solve this question. And now as you can see that we need to print contest ID, hacker ID, name. So these three columns we can get from the contest, but then we also need total sum of total submissions, sum of this, and sum of total views, sum of total unique views. So definitely we have to join these tables. So this is a question of joins. So let's start solving the question. Okay, so from this college we have this table, that is colleges table. Okay, from this table I can get the college ID, ID and contest ID. Okay, so let me say from this, let me select contest ID. Okay, contest ID, and okay, so contest ID can be taken from this colleges table, and then let me say inner join, and let me give alias as colleges as call. Okay, inner join, we have now other table, that is let's say this challenges table, right? And in challenges table I have challenge ID and college ID. So on the basis of this college ID I can join these two tables and get the contest ID for now. Okay, so I will join this challenges table. Okay, inner join challenges table as, let's say, chal, on which condition, on this call dot college ID. So call dot college ID, is same, right, in both of these tables. So let me just say college ID is equals to chal dot college ID, right? And let me run this. Okay, so now this means that joins are running perfectly fine. Okay, now I have to do inner join. So now I have this table as well. I have this submission stats table, that is this one, submission stats table, and from this I can get the sum of total submissions, I can get the sum of total accepted submissions, and this challenge ID is common in this challenge in this submission stats table and the challenges table. Okay, so on the basis of this column I can join and get the total submission and this. Okay, so let's say submission stats. Okay, so inner join submission stats, right, as let's say SS. On which column I need to join? On this challenge ID. So challenge ID is common in both the tables. So challenge ID is equals to ss dot challenge ID, right? Ss dot challenge ID, right? Okay, and let me run this. Okay, so now what we need to do is, why I have joined this submission stats table with the challenges table, so that I can get these two columns, that is total submissions and total accepted submissions. Okay, so let me just quickly get these columns. So I need this total submissions. Okay, total submissions, and I need this. Okay, and this contest ID, from which table I am getting this contest ID? From this colleges table. So I will give call dot this and then comma, and then this total submissions I am getting from SS table. So SS dot total submissions, and then this total accepted submissions I am getting from SS table, right? And let me run this. Okay, so what I get the contest ID, I get the total submissions, and I get the total accepted submissions. Okay, now as this question says that I have to find the sum of these four columns for each contest, so that's why now for this now we have this contest ID. So for each contest, let's find out the sum for these two columns. So sum of this, as let's me give alias as sum underscore ts, and then I need the sum of this. Okay, as let's say sum underscore tas. Okay, and now when you do aggregation, the remaining column, that is this column, you have to put in group by. So because you are doing sum for each contest. Okay, for each contest, so I need to do group by this, and let me run this. All right, we get the desired result. Okay, so let me make this as a temporary table. So let me say with the total sub, let me alias as with subtotal, with subtotal as this. You can give any name. So right now I am giving name as this. Okay, and now similarly for each contest I need to find out the total views and total unique views. So again I have to, let me just copy this query and paste it here. Okay, see now this contest ID you have from colleges table, and then we have inner join challenges, and now instead of joining submission stats, I need to join this table, that is view stats. Okay, so this one, view stats. I need to join this table. This as, let's say, VS, and on what column? On chal.challenge id is equals to VS dot challenge id. So this column, that is challenge id, is common in the challenges table and in the view stats table. So that's why I have joined these two tables, and now I have taken the contest id, and now I will take the remaining columns, that is this total views. Okay, that is this total views. So instead of this, I need total views, and this is coming from VS, and then I will take, I need to take total unique views. So this is the column. Okay, and this is coming from VS, and let me give alias as TV. So total views, let me give alias as sum TV, and for this one let's give alias as sum TUV, T UV. Okay, so now from this query, what result I am getting? I am getting for each contest sum of total submissions and sum of total accepted submissions. And from this query, what result I am getting? I am getting for each contest the sum of total views and sum of total unique views. So these are the columns that I need in my final result. Okay, so let me make this also a temporary table, so that I can join these two tables and get the these four columns. Okay, so let me say that view total. So view underscore total, view underscore total as this, as this. Okay. Okay, now I get the sum of total submissions, I get the sum of total accepted submissions, I get the sum of total views, I get the sum of total unique views. But I also need this this contest ID, hacker ID, and name. Okay, so these are present in contest table. So what tables I need to join? I need to join this contest table. I need to join this this subtotal table, and I need to join this view total table, so that I can get the desired columns. Okay, so what I will say is, I will say select from contest. The name was right, so let me just check. So it was contests. Okay, so let me just quickly from contest and let me give alias as con. Okay, and I need to join this contest table with my subtotal and view total. Okay, so inner join sub total on which column? So on con dot. So on con dot. So in the subtotal I have the contest ID, and in this contest table I have the contest ID. So this ID is this column is common. So I will say on this column, let's just join this two tables. So on con dot contest ID is equals to let me say inner join subtotal as st. Okay, on this st dot this. Okay, and now again I have to join this this contest table with the view total table. Okay, so inner join as, let's say, vt on con dot contest, sorry, and this you can see that in the view total table as well, the contest id is common column, so I can say contest id on this uh, column is equals to vt dot this. Okay, now I have joined all these three tables and I can get the desired result. So from this contest table I can get the, from this I can get the contest id, I can get the contest id, I can get the hacker id, the columns that I need, I can get the name. Okay, and from this subtotal table I can get the this sum ts. Okay, so sum ts comma I can get this sum tas comma the, okay, and from this view total table I can get the sum tv and last column that I want is sum tuv, sum tuv. Okay, and let me just run the code. Okay, so there is some error, so incorrect syntax near the keyword as in line 19. So line 19, from contest as con inner. Okay, I need to just, I forget to put inner join, and here as well, so inner join, and now let me run the code again. Okay, we have passed all the sample test cases and congratulations, we have successfully solved this question. But they have also said that order your output by this by this contest id, and then we have to also exclude the contest from the result if all four sums are 0. Now all the result that I am getting, there is no such row in which all the sum of these four columns is 0. So that's why this is giving us the correct answer. So but let's just say that uh, where this should not be equal to 0 and this also should not be equal to 0. Okay, and this should not be equal to 0, and this should also not be equal to 0, and we need to also order by the contest id. So order by the contest id. Yeah, so we have successfully solved this question. Now let me just quickly submit the code. And guys, if you are liking my videos, please subscribe to the channel. And then and this question I have solved, and it took me around 2 to 3 hours to understand this problem, to solve this problem, and then to make a video. So it's to make the video is taking it takes a lot of it takes a lot of effort. So please subscribe and like this video and comment as well. So thank you so much for watching the video.